Welcome back, guys. Today we're with the V again, and Sonny. Look at him trying to avoid the camera as always. After the long wait, it is finally time to put the exhaust together. We got everything I need here. We're taking this thing over to Chase's, and he's gonna put it together for me because he's a swell guy. Thank God for him. Thank God for Chase. We're gonna jump right into it and get this thing loaded on the trailer. It is technically the first drive. It's the first time it's moved since we've done all the work, so here we go. Oh yeah, you haven't heard this in person yet.
Nope. Is it louder than my car?
Yes.
I'd hope so. You tell me.
You're good. Right over it.
I think just because it's been hit so many times.
Yeah. Looked a little sketch.
How did it look going up those ramps?
She squished the splitter, but it's fine.
Okay. You definitely tuned it up, that's for sure. Fine. If we're going on the...
She'll be alright. It's just highway driving.
On the west side, saying this is a dumb idea. Alright, Karma's a bitch. He's gonna back this up. I hope he jackknives it. Let's see. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, already looking crooked. Look at that. He's already going off to the side. Can't even back up straight. Yeah, get the porta potty in there. Hell yeah.
All right, we got her all loaded up. Now let's head to Chase's. This looks pretty sweet. I never thought I'd own a caddy pulling a caddy. Kind of gangster. right.
Yeah, no. Well, because if you kept going, you wouldn't have had anything left.
Yeah, it would have been. Yeah, it would have made it. This dude's fucking yoked.
Stop don't do this to his trailer.
It'll be all right. Actually, I don't think I've actually ever recorded anything on my channel in your shop.
Let's keep it that way. Top secret.
I'm showing him everything. This is a Derby car. This is a Nova that's amazing, way faster than mine.
They were all stolen.
Yes. And that's a baby that's not mine.
Run the VIN numbers on these.
What's the VIN number?
And these are I wish I was cool enough to have a parachute. Maybe one day.
Yeah.
This man says if you're thirsty, there's water in the fridge.
Okay. Bob Blast, dude. Yeah.
He's referring to the beer.
A big banana is a spider. He was a leopard one.
Hey, I'll trade you Elliot for this. He's got a great starter. Come on, old girl. Yeah. Man, that pop, holy when it started popping.
We're gonna make your car do that.
Nah, I'm cool with it. Maybe the next one.
No rolling anti-lag on that, dude. I bet you can have.
That'd be it's supercharged. That'd be an awful idea.
Sounds sick though.
Hell yeah.
Did you get ass pack or something? What's going on here?
I bought it like that.
Sure. Look at all the rust.
Don't tell me that.
Go back down.
Yeah.
That side over there has to be kicked in a little bit.
Got everything we need.
It's a whole kit.
Oh, brother. What do you want to bet this goes right on my damn header?
Maybe that.
What, those, I'm assuming those were meant to be with stock exhaust, right?
No, they're meant for this one.
Oh, so they should bolt right fucking.
Yeah, same Speed Engineering headers and X-pipe. So essentially it's the same system, just no muffler.
We're welding those.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather weld it versus dealing with the damn clamps.
Well, we can put clamps on the headers.
Yeah.
We can still pull the headers out. But we'll weld everything else.
We're good.
What the f?
Back clamp.
I'll have the blow-off valve.
I'm not editing that out. That's much better. Yeah. That feels good on my eyeballs. That's pretty money, dude. Wow, dude. Speed engineering got it going on. Nice.
I don't need that. That's for pussy.
Hello? Will you chill the fuck out? My girl watches these videos. Come on, say that again.
So you're fat. You look sweaty going up those stairs.
It's fair, but no. Say the
exactly-
good stuff.
That's exactly what it was. The good stuff.
He told me he was proud of me.
I did not. He's making up.
He said, and I quote, "Heads and cam and the car runs, but never taken on a motor before? Pretty impressive. I'm proud of you. I'm gonna give you head."
Hey yo!
A few videos ago, do you remember when I dropped a lifter and I said it fell into the abyss? We found it. It was up yonder. Sweet. I had to leave early before they finished it. The boys kept working and they got that thing all together. So the exhaust on the V is done. So we're currently heading back. We're mobbing. We're gonna go get another data log on it, get the new tune flashed so we can drive it home. I'll be along with, so we can bring both cars back so I don't got a trailer on. But I really missed my opportunity of getting a cool roller, this thing pulling the other one. I didn't really think about it until now, but oh well. So here we are. Next stop, Chases. There she is. Got to post it up in the yard.
Way better.
Oh yeah, that loops through it hard. That sounds good, dude. What do you think, B? Sound better?
Much better.
Much better? Doesn't kill your ears anymore?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we never really got to the whole meat and potatoes of the thing here, but if you look here, we don't have any tips on her yet. So it's just the mufflers out the back right now, which honestly I don't hate, but we'll get something fabbed up here to make it a little cleaner on the end. How we doing, B? She all sent up?
Waiting for her to respond.
Nice. Sounds good.
I was gonna say when you crack it, it's got a high pitch. It sounds really good.
She's tame, but it's like a locked monster, kind of. Well, I think that'll about wrap this one up. Official thank you to Chase. It's Chase. You've seen him on my channel before. If you haven't, then you're wrong. Vanderstrom Customs YouTube channel. I'll put a thing up as always for him because you know, he does a lot more stuff than me. He just doesn't record all of it all the time. We're trying to push him to grow his channel too. He's working on it. If he just recorded everything he did, he would be, I don't know, a bajillionaire by now. The exhaust turned out mint. Sounds great. The sound made me smile. I hope you smiled.